Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to save notes in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is how can you create an account on Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get in there, go ahead and click on the Start for Free button and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to sign in using an existing account. Whichever one you choose, once you're done signing in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. Well, now that we're here, let's hop into today's stat, which is how to save notes in Evernote. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you're going to find a couple features. Home, shortcuts, notes, tags, calendar, notebooks, tags, show me, and trash. Go ahead and click on Notes and it's going to take you to your Notes window. So now that we're here, let's see how we can save a note. First, let's create a note and then save the note, right? Okay, so I'm heading over here to this note that I want to create as a new note. If you want to create a new note, go ahead and click on New Note and you'll be able to create a note. So let's say the title of this note is My Experience with God. All right, then over here I can say I have had, let's say I have had an incredible experience with God. I just want to leave that there. So now that I've written this, if I want to add something more, I can definitely add anything. All right. But then this is it. There is no button right here in Evernote as of 2024 that says after writing or that allows you to write, and after writing you can go ahead and click on the save button just like the share button is right here. Nah. Once you're done creating your note, it saves automatically. As you can see, I just typed, and after typing, it's here, right? Everything is reflected here. So I can open up another note, right? This is a new note, right? I can open up a new note and go back to the note that I created. So just like another note. So I can go back to the notes I just created, my experience with God, and all my content will be intact. So that's it. All right. So there's no one way or there's no one button that says save after creating your content or after creating your content within your notes. All right. So once you have typed and you have created that note, you've composed your message in your note, it's just going to be saved automatically. No hassle. You don't have to go through any manual process of saving. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.